do a very brief body scan meditation. So I invite you to come into this present moment, seated or laying down, bringing your awareness to your feet. Be squeezing your toes and your shoes, just noticing the sensation maybe of your socks, this grounded input. Moving your awareness up to your calves. Bringing your awareness to your knees, up your thighs, to your hips, with your sit bones grounded into the ground. Moving your awareness now up to your stomach, noticing these big inhales and releasing exhales, this powerful belly breath. Bringing your awareness now to your chest, around your shoulders, down your arms, to your hands. Bringing your awareness to your neck and surrounding your entire head. Bringing your whole body now into awareness, visualizing powerful healing light surrounding your entire body, noticing any shifts that you feel. This short body scan coming into this beautiful, mindful, present moment.